Did you know there's a fly that can survive in boiling hot springs? The alkali fly lives on the shores of superheated alkaline lakes like those in Yellowstone. It can dive below the surface using a protective bubble of air that clings to its body. Its tiny hairs repel water and shield it from the heat and chemical burn. These flies feed, mate, and lay eggs in places most animals can't even survive. It's not just surviving, it's thriving in scalding, toxic water. Talk about one tough bug with the ultimate natural heat shield. Think that's hot? Like this video and dive into more by subscribing for future facts.